Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and I'm super excited to be coming to BPM REIA on Wednesday, March 5th. Online, totally online, accessible from anywhere. What am I going to teach you? I'm going to teach you one of the key skills, the key in-between piece that I think most real estate investors need some improvement on, even if you think you're pretty good at it. What is that key skill? It's negotiating. I think the number one thing people have been messing up lately is getting really good at negotiating. Because when you get good at negotiation, proper negotiation, not just haggling back and forth over pointless little things, but good, serious, proper negotiation so that you can get more people saying yes to you and get lower prices on each and every deal. So think about that. More profits out of each deal and actually more deals, all from one key skill, and that is negotiation. And that's what I'm going to be teaching you. Totally online at BPM REIA, Wednesday, March 5th. I look forward to seeing you there. I can pretty much, I know I'm not supposed to say the word guarantee, but look, I can pretty much guarantee that you are going to walk away from this online event an exponentially better negotiator than you walk in, just from the 6 basic things that I'm going to be teaching you. And I really want you to have these. These are my gift to you. Use them, implement them, practice with them, watch what happens. More deals, more profits, that leads to more freedom. It's Tom Zeeb. Looking forward to seeing you at BPM REIA online Wednesday, March 5th.